question, we have a cylinder. Let me draw the cylinder. The radii is 12 cm and this height is 20 cm. Now from here there is a pipe which is actually leading on to a cone, right? This can be used to collect the water and drink. Okay, so this height is 8 cm and this distance is 3 cm. Okay, with all these being said and done, let me give you the question. So I'm going to write the question. At a track meet, cylindrical container fitted with a pipe is used to serve water to athletes. The cylindrical container has radius 12 cm and height 20 cm. The cone shaped cups have a radius of 3 cm and the height is 8 cm. Now question number one is calculate the volume of water in the cylindrical container. So they're asking us to write your answer in 2 decimal places. This is one part of the question. Now the next part is the water flows from the cylindrical container to the cone cup at 7.8 ml per second. Now find the time taken. Okay, give your answer to the nearest second. So finally they are asking us the number of cups that can be filled by the cylindrical container. So what does it mean by the water in the cylindrical container, right? So all of these informations are required and we are going to do these one by one. So foremost, let me write the data. So data for cylinder. what is given? Radius is given as 12 cm, height is 20 cm, and then for the cone, the radius is given as 3 cm, height is 8 cm, and next is the flow rate. Flow rate is 7.8 ml per second. So the volume of the cylinder V is equal to pi r squared h, which is going to be pi 12 times 12 raised to the power of 2. The height is 20, so this is pi times 144 times 20, and if you were to multiply this, is going to give you 2880 pi. This is volume, so cm is given, so cm cubed. You take pi to be as 3.142, so therefore volume is 2880 multiplied with 3.142, and that is going to give you a volume of 947 cm cubed. Now we are actually asked to convert to liters. Convert to liters. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 cm cubed. Therefore volume in liters is equal to 9047 divided by 1000. So that is going to give you 9.047, right? So I'm going to write it as 9.05, 2 decimal places, liters. So that's a solution. Now we have to find the time taken. Okay, water flows from the cylinder to the cone cup. The rate is this, so we have to calculate the time. So for that we are given the cone, right? So volume of the cone cup, this is given as 1 over 3 pi r squared h, which is 1 over 3 pi times my radius is 3 units raised to the power of 2 times 8. So a 3 and a 3 gets cancelled. You have 3 pi times 8, which is nothing but 24 pi. This is cm cubed. Now you take pi is 3.142, right? This is the value we are taking. It's given. So since pi is 3.142, therefore volume is 24 times 3.142. So that is going to give you a volume of 75.4 cm cubed. Now we need to get the time. Time is nothing but formula, volume divided by rate. Volume is 75.4, the rate is 7.8. So the time is going to be 9.67 seconds. Okay. And they are asking us to convert it to the nearest second. So the nearest second is going to be 10. I'm going to take it as 10 seconds. So that's a solution for that question. Okay, now they are asking us to find the number of cups. Okay, number of cups that can be filled. Now initially we got this is the value we got, 2880 pi. So this is the water, that is volume of water contained in the cylinder is this. Now volume of water that actually goes in, or that the cup can hold, is 24 pi. So pi gets cancelled. You have 2880 divided by 24. So this is going to be equal to 120. Okay, so 120 cups is the answer, right? So you have completed successfully the question. Let's move on to the next one.